Have you ever wondered, why we ring the temple bell? It's not just tradition. It's, transformation. As we step into the sanctum, we strike the bell, a call to silence the noise of the world outside. That clang, it isn't random, you see. It resonates at 528 Hz, the frequency of healing, G. Before darshanam, the bell, it resets our body, mind, and prana. No, it's like cleansing our energy at the doorway of the divine. At that moment, your brain, it shifts to alpha mode. Silence becomes sacred. No, thought becomes clarity. That sound awakens the antaryami, the inner self. It reminds us the divine isn't there, it's here, right here. The ego, it dissolves. Only Shraddha, pure devotion, remains. Each strike, it aligns us with the Rita. No, the cosmic rhythm. This is Sanatana Dharma, you see, in sound form. For thousands of years, this sound is echoed through Bharat, from Chidambaram to Kashi. It never stopped, no. Next time you hear the temple bell, know this. It's not just noise, it's moksha in motion. Anvi Ningalukun Mandi. Thank you, dear soul.